sorry about this windscreen right here that's going to be shown in a couple of the video clips, but it'll go away and it'll get better. I use it a lot to cut the wind noise, because you guys know how annoying that sound is on the GoPros.
Far out there. I think it's about to take off. We got Fern on, guys. First fish of the day. Yes, sir.
Now watch how that lure kind of, look at how that lure pops up. Did you see that? You guys that one of you?
I think so.
So right here, guys, I'm working the lure. Pop, pop, pop. Let it sit. Pop, pop. Let it sit. The AM lure, the tail, it flutters on the drop on the way down, and I reel up my slack because I didn't feel any tension. And sure enough, check this out.
There you go. Look at that.
He just kind of like ran with it. That's what he did.
Is it alone?
Nah, he's got.
No, he's alone.
That's tight, no?
It is good.
Oh, I just hooked it weird.
He ate it.
Oh, that's nice.
That's beautiful red. I think it's just a big red. 24, 25.
Yes, sir. Got him.
Damn.
Yes, sir. Pop, 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 pop. Thank you, thanks, bro.
Damn. Oh, he just threw the loop.
I'll take the blame. Oh, I knew it because it didn't look like it got worked on.
Lie down there.
Yeah. This is a baby. Net. Missed it.
You got him? It's a little trout. Oh, it's a good trout.
Big trout? Oh, never mind. As you were. Sorry, bro. I thought I saw a mouth. No, it's alright. It's alright, thanks. My bad. You threw after that wake, right? Got him?
I think so.
Got him! It's a nice trout.
It's a better one. Damn, Victor's on fire.
Sir. Redrifting.
So I switched over to my Corrado baitcaster, switched over to chicken shark. It's a color I like to use in low light situations, and this is what I ended up catching using a 1/8 ounce weedless jig head that I got from Fern, rigging it up right here with my 25-pound fluoro on 30-pound braid. One thing I can say about these bait casters is I feel like I can really control that lure. As you can tell right here, pop, 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 letting it sit for a brief second, pop, pop, and then I end up hooking up to something nice right here.
Troutskis?
Really, really nice trout.
Red? Oh, it's a nice trout. Nice trout.
Oh, it's a trout. Oh, that's a real nice trout.
Need you, Victor. Need you, Doc. What is he doing to me?
Wow. All right.
Oh, there it is. Got him.
Yeah.
Got him.
Hermit trout.
Nice. The baitcaster? They're just kind of like.
They eat it when they eat it.
Oh, you saw that, right?
That was him.
He's still behind it, no? I don't know.
So I'm curious to know what setup you guys are throwing on your baitcaster combo. I got the Corrado DC extra high gear on this 13 medium light 6'9". It's not a bad rod. I got it for 79 bucks. That's why I'm using it. I'm going to be going out to get a Apollo baitcaster rod pretty soon. So comment below what your combo is.
I'll blur it out.
About the next cast? He's pissed. Now you know what it's like over an Eddie.
Thanks, bro.
No, it's not even that big.
Look, bro. Is that you?
Yeah, that's not gonna hit it.
Well, this guy.
Do the outro real quick.
What did I say? Caught some fish. Thanks for Fern for bringing this out.
Victor, what's up, homie?
All right, man. Y'all take it easy, and we'll see you on the next video. Peace.